All right, let's go ahead and read some Hebrew. We're going to read Proverbs chapter 1, verses 1 through 4. I'm going to go ahead and read this at a semi-normal speed, not too fast, not too slow. And then I'm going to go through it again, very slowly. Okay, so let's just go ahead. We don't need to understand anything. We just need to get used to reading the letters, seeing the shapes, and I'm going to read them in sort of the typical, the popular accent as Hebrews used today. Mishle Shlomo ben David melech Yisrael. Leda'at chokhmah umusar lahavin imre vina. Lekachat musar haskel tzedek umishpat umesharim latet liftaim arma lena'ar da'at zimma. Okay, let's go piece by piece with verse 1. The first word, mishle, shlomo, ven David, melech Yisrael, lada'at chokhmah umusar lehavim imre vina lekachat musar haskel tzedek umishpat umesharim latet liftaim arma lena'ar da'at zimma. All right, once more at regular speed. Mishle Shlomo ben David melech Yisrael. Leda'at chokhmah musar lehavin imre vina. Lekachat musar haskel tzedek umishpat umesharim latet liftaim arma lena'ar da'at zimma.